Hey everybody, so today we're talking about a very interesting topic. This is about a video card GTX 1050 video card. Okay, I can see here. I did order it on September 20th, 2018. So this is my order details. So apparently, this card cost only $30. Okay, that's amazing price, and it should be that low if you search here. If you search GTX 1050, okay, you will see so many cards here. Okay, but they all around $200 at least, right? $200. Okay. So, but why there's a card selling on $30? And yeah, what's inside? So I decide to do an order and find it out. Okay, let's check it out. So it's very curious. Eventually, the package arrived. So it's just as simple as it is. So this is the package. In this package is the box. Okay, the box seems very fancy. Okay, apparently it's not the dedicated box. It's just generic box. It's saying Raindon AMD. So open the box. Okay, they offer a free cable adapter. So from 4-pin to 6-pin. Oh, that's good. And inside the box, I have this is the card itself. Let's check it later. And this is driver. So look at the driver. We have driver for Windows XP, Windows 7, 32 and 64-bit. There's no Windows 8 or Windows 10. Okay, let's check the card itself. So the card just like this. Okay, and it looks like quite new. So 2 fans. Okay, and this side is so far I don't see any sign like it's heavy used. Probably it's used. Look at the pin. I don't know you can see any difference. And here's the label. Okay, GTX 1050. Okay, and you can see some serial label here, and this side is the 3-port. Okay, and yeah, there's like this. You can feel it's a little bit shaking, but it's still attached. Okay, let's see how's the performance once we plug it in. Okay, the card is in, and so the fan is running quietly. Okay, so seems everything just as expected. And here's I put my Windows 10 already. So and I put out our manager, device manager. Interesting. It seems stopped working now. It's freeze my Windows. So let's see what we can do. Okay, I reboot the computer and use the driver search by Windows itself, but unfortunately it couldn't find any driver by Windows itself. So let's try the CD. Anyway, I go back to Windows Update, and it does found a new driver for me. So I will try this one first. NVIDIA display driver. Okay, let's give some time. Okay, I wait a couple minutes and even it's still saying waiting for the download. But it seems Windows itself found the correct driver for me. So apparently installing the driver on Windows 10, there's no trouble at all. So we will see how the performance is. Okay, here's the multiple applications showing the video card. So this is a CPU Z1050, code name GP107, not sure what that means, A1, okay, 14 nm, okay, core is 50 megahertz, okay, memory, okay, 135 megahertz, so memory size 2 gig DDR5. Okay, here's the open hardware monitor, so I can see this is talking about GT 1050 and core is 50 megahertz. Okay, so the temperature seems okay. Okay, so here's the Windows Task Manager displaying 3D copy video decor, 2 gig dedicated memory and 8 gig shared memory. Okay, so here's the information. So next step, we're going to run some indexing, performance indexing. Okay, so here's the tool I'm going to use. This is a user benchmark application. So it's running now. Hopefully it will finish without any trouble. Okay, still running. Okay. So next step going to be the graphic. So it's doing the hard drive now. Okay, it's running video performance. It seems still run. Okay, here's the real result now. This is the interesting result. Okay, so basically my CPU seems okay and my hard drive seems fine, but only this application is question my GTX 1050 saying video card is 10%. It's very poor performance. So that's why he has question. Please enter your real card because your card is kind of not same as other people. So that's why it's saying, see, this is should be okay, but it's going to here. So with the performance testing, it's really detect this card is a fake one. Okay, so but what's the real model of this card is still a secret. Okay. Okay, everybody is waiting for the final secret, so I take the fans out, take the heatsink out. Okay, so this is looks like a metal, but it is plastic actually. But this one is the real metal stuff. Okay, so here's the secret. What is it? Can you see it? NVIDIA, yeah, 128.28065.1107A1. It's Taiwan P 41793.000. I don't know what is that. Okay, so you tell me what's the chip of this video card. Thanks for.
Okay, today when I'm making make the video, I just check the item is still available today. So today is November 6th. So when I click it again, so it's changed. Apparently the seller changed the price to 104, but okay, and I put the keyword again in the new app to see what's going to happen. What's the option? Okay, we can still see a lot of $200 card and 300, 200. Okay, I found this one. Okay, but similar to those one I can see here. Those are the card. $129.85. Okay. So apparently those cards should be exactly the same what I ordered. So I don't know, what do you think? Is that worth it? Or for $30? Okay, let me know. Thanks.